So we have the main blog and the Master Key admin open. And Bob wrote his press release. So it should be in the Master Key side, I would think, in all pages. So there's the press release. Just gonna do something, make sure that it's written in there. And there it is. Great. One thing, I think Bob might not have watched the video. He's a busy guy working 60 hours a week. So we're gonna do his all-in-one SEO for him. I'm gonna copy the title, bring it down here to the SEO. And actually, I don't know if he knows that this is what's going to show up in his tab. So I'm going to take that April 11th and I'm going to actually cut it out of there. I'm going to edit this so it just says press release. And I'm going to put in here okay, I'm just going to put in here for a description, interview with Les Brown, which is awesome. So, all right, we're going to update this. Okay, so now we're going to go over to menus, just under appearance. The box shows up to the right before you've clicked on anything, if you're just hovering over something, and after you've clicked on it, it's underneath. So if you're looking for anything in appearance, you'll no longer see the box out here. It comes out underneath. So Bob wrote his press release but wasn't seeing it on the page. So this is why. Bob has a custom menu so that we can hook both sites up together. These are two separate blogs. So in order to see the press release on the public blog, you have to tell it to go over there. So we're going to add that to the menu. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this. We could add it to the menu and have it be a sub item under Master Key. So it would look like that. When you hover over Master Key, it would show up underneath. Then, if that wasn't what you wanted, you could have it show up as another tab. So when we refresh or reload this page, it's going to show up next to it. So when you click on it, that one will be darker than the rest and you'll know that you're on that page. So you can switch that around any way you'd like it. And then we're over on the regular blog now. And let me just show you, when you do go to the regular blog, it looks different. Press release isn't there, so we need to add it here too. And the way we're going to do that is by going back to the Master Key blog, going to the press release tab, and we're going to copy the URL. You just click on it, it usually all highlights. If it doesn't, you can just highlight it, right click or Control C for copy. Let's go back over to the main blog and go to Appearance again, Menus. And on this side, it's not showing up here because it's in the other blog. So what we need to do is add it as a link. That's why we copied the URL. So right here where it says URL, we're going to paste that in. And then we're just going to call it press release. And we're going to add it to the menu. I'm going to drag that up, put it next to the other one, save the menu, and then we'll go check and see how that looks. Now we're at the home page of the main blog. Here's the press release, master key, contact, about me. We go over to the master key site, and they all look the same. So that's how you control the two blogs because we have the sub-blog. There it is. This has been Heather Plude of freedomoutofthebox.com.